Welcome to Delightful and Delicious. If this is your first time here, my name is Stephanie and I am so glad that you joined us. Now, when the seasons change, I like to switch my menus up. And for summer and springtime, I do a lot more sandwiches and salads on my menus than I do in the fall and winter. I do a lot more soups and stews. So today, because it's getting warmer outside, we're going to be making shrimp rolls. If you're hungry, make sure you look down in the description box so you can cook along with me, and let's get started. Now here we have some lovely wild-caught shrimp that I have already washed, deveined, taken the shell off of. I have a video right here. Click on that link if you don't know how to devein your shrimp. Now I'm just going to season this very generously with some Old Bay seasoning. We're going to get that all mixed up. And then we're going to go ahead and get this into a saute pan that's been heating up on the stove. I have a little olive oil and butter in there, and we're going to get these sauteed up. Now that our butter has melted in our olive oil on medium-high heat, let's go ahead and get our shrimp into the pan and cook them for about 2 minutes on the first side, and then we're going to turn them over and cook them for another minute. Don't overcook them or they'll be tough and chewy. Now that we have taken our shrimp off the stove and put them in a bowl, we're going to put these to the side and let them cool down just a little bit so that we can cut them up. Make sure that your oven is heating up on broil, and we're going to go ahead and put the dressing together. So in here I have some mayonnaise. We're going to add some fresh lemon juice, a little green onion. You can also use shallots or like a Vidalia sweet onion, some celery, and I've also got a nice little spice mixture here. We're using dill, paprika, Old Bay, and black pepper. We're gonna get that all mixed up. And we're just gonna take our shrimp now that they have cooled down enough where we can work with them, and we're just gonna cut those in half. You can cut them smaller, but I like, nice big pieces of shrimp in my shrimp rolls. I want people to know that they're eating shrimp. Now typically if you were going to get this sandwich, let's just say in the northeast part of the country, these would be boiled for a couple of minutes just until they turn pink, and then you would make the sandwich just like this from there. I like the fact that when I saute them and go ahead and season them, it just heightens the flavor. So I'm going to finish adding these shrimp to my dressing, and I'm also going to add that little bit of butter and a little bit of olive oil mixture to my dressing as well. Again, on this channel, we are all about heightening your flavor profile. So we're gonna get those in the bowl and get that mixed up. Now here we have some lovely rolls that are split on the top. That's what you want, if you can find them. And we're just going to butter these. And we are going to get these in the oven under the broiler and get them nice and toasty. And we're all done, guys. You see, we have this beautiful toasted top split bun. And I like to do this either one or two ways. If I'm doing it the traditional way, I'm going to go ahead and take my mixture and just go ahead and fill this beautiful buttery bun up. Buttery buns. And get that filled up nicely. Don't be stingy. You're gonna make a shrimp roll, honey. Give folks shrimp. Now, if you are someone who is counting carbs, I also like to just use a piece of Boston or Bib lettuce, and you can go ahead and fill that up and then roll that up and eat it that way. So I do it one of two ways. Try it both ways. But then I like to go ahead and top either one of them off with a little sriracha. And that's it, y'all. Beautiful, easy, delicious shrimp rolls. Put a little bit of sriracha on here because we're heading into bathing suit season, so cutting carbs. You guys, that's so good. Oh my God. That is so good. The beautiful freshness of the lemon just awakens the flavor of it. The spices have married well with the shrimp. The dressing is super delicious. It's just easy and so good. So make sure that you guys subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Be sure that you look down in the description box so that you can get all of the ingredients. Go to our website at delightfulanddelicious.com to get all of the ingredients and directions. And until next time, remember, whenever you are in the kitchen, you are keeping it delightful and delicious. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.